Hello guys, welcome my video. We're gonna find a caterpillar and make caterpillar and is make a cocoon. Bika ona bison we no go the caterpillar. Scared to go. And here whoa! Look at the sky guys. It's amazing. Oh yeah. Let's go. Two. Oh, there's the birds, guys. It's amazing. I found a blue bird. It's seated like this. Oh, it's a cat and it's a cow. Whoa, it's a chicken. Oh, it's cute. Oh, and it's my feet. Look at that. Amazing. It's amazing. What's it there? You know, go that. Where you eat it and it's very awesome. When you have bees, you hair, airs on your mouth, on your nose, on your ears, on your eyes. It's very kind of safe. Oh, it's a cat. Hello. It's scared. The chicken is very gonna go. Enervis is very in a cave. And go to ashram is left in the cave. It's very not his bees in honey in a go. And you gonna go your hands, you eat it the hands. You gonna glove on anything what you want. And you can jacket, gloves, master, and ladder. I will like this. And it's a magical ladder. And we can look through eyes and you're gonna dangerous. It's very dangerous. And it's a beast. You run to go. And you gonna know run the big door. You're gonna kill liar. Ready with door. Go away. Now is this the bees? Is there? And you gonna go there. You know? Every bird is very like in blue or in green. Anything. And it's very kind of cold. Like and see if it like. And you know under knows the spider code. It's a Latin spider right there. Whoa. It's a spider there. Guys, I found a spider. You found too? Yeah. You're gonna find. What is this, guys? Let's go. This is a task selling. Longer they're gonna sell it, you know. What, guys? I found a seashell. And it's dead. It's a llama, guys. I found it. I better find a very big spider. This is my ninja turtle. It's amazing, guys. Welcome my room. When I found a grasshopper, and I got it's a commandant in here in my house. And I better bye him. And I found a jellyfish that were the ocean. I found it. There's the ocean. And I found a clams in the ocean. I found it. From the ocean. And I found a fish in the cove like this, Dory. And it's very gold. I found it. It's very gold. It's very longer. I look at him. It's very fast. You hunt it, right? Sure, it's very hard. Sure. It's very gonna hit it with gender. What's it, this guys?